Algebra 2 for today. We have to add and subtract function. That's our topic today. Our problem is, what is the x plus g of x? We have this problem. If f of x is equals to x plus 3, and then gx is equals negative 3x to the second power. So very simple. Remember, function addition is like this: f plus g of x is equals f of x plus g of x. So that's it. Very simple. All right. Let's try to solve our problem then. So solve. All right. Very simple. Here are, in this case, are f of x plus g of x. All right. So here substitute. Substitute, in this case, f of x equals 2x plus 3, right? And what else? And gx equals negative 3x to the second power. All right. So this will be equals here 2x plus 3 plus negative 3x to the second power. Right. Here we have to simplify. So simplify our question here. We will have equals negative 3x to the second power plus 2x plus 3. Right? That's it. This is very simple solution. This is the solution to this problem. Let's try to another one different to this problem. Let's write. Let me write here fx of let's write negative 2x to the second power plus 7x, and then gx equals negative x. Okay, that's it. Let's do the, in this case, add fx, all right, and gx, right? So if you add it, we will have f plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x, all right? And then substitute. So we will have f of x is negative 2x to the second power plus 7x, and then gx is equals negative x. All right. So now this is equals, will be equals here 2x negative 2x to the second power plus 7x plus negative x. Simplify here. Okay, simplify. You simplify. This will be equals, this continue the same. 7 minus 1 is going to be plus 6x. See? Right? It's very easy. Very easy. Okay? The last problem. Let me show another problem. Remember, this is saying subtract or add. It is it is the same. Our problem for now is f plus x of x equals f of x plus g of x, right? Substitute here. We substitute, we will have let's write the numbers here. In this case, let me write fx. How much is it? Fx, let's write fx is like 3x plus 3x. Let me write 3x plus 5. Right? 3x plus 5. Gx, what about gx? Gx negative x to the second power. Right? Yeah, like that. So 3x plus 5 and gx negative x to the second power, right? So this is equals, will be equals, here we will have 3x plus, if we add it, we have to add it, plus 5 plus negative x to the second power, right? So now here simplify. See, that it's very simple. You simplify here is not in the like term. Okay, it's this is the first started the greatest exponent. Negative x to the second power plus 3x plus 5. Right? That's the answer. This is a very simple question. So that's it. 3 examples about our add and subtract functions. It's the same thing when you subtract. Just write it here minus. So f minus g of x, and then it's opposite to addition. It is similar to this. Okay. You discover the power of the mathematics, unleash your infinity potential.